Ich bin sowas von glücklich, das hier erleben zu dürfen. Das Schiff ist wirklich wunderschön, sauber, die Kabinen alle ganz toll und neu.
Oh, this ship is wonderful. I couldn't ask for anything more. From my perspective, it's been a smooth trip all along. The crew, I can't say enough about the crew, how they work together. Feel very much at home.
This is really good. They treat you and realise that you're having a holiday and you're going to get a good holiday. They really do.
The food is excellent. The only complaint that I would have of the food is that there's too much of it. and I would eat too much of it.
Das ist auch wunderbar mit diesem 3-Gänge-Menü, dass man am Tisch bedient wird. Das Service-Team ist spitze und also es ist einfach rundum wunderschön und ich kann es nur weiterempfehlen.